Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you meet eligibility and have practical experience. This isn't about theory, it's about doing. Once done, select the specific advanced Excel certification exam you want, vendor, university, or platform, and register. Make sure to secure a valid ID and reliable computer with the exact Excel version required. Variations matter. Finally, download or create 1 to 2 practice datasets and install any test proctoring software. Now, so technical issues don't derail your timing later. You focus on the middle work, deep hands-on repetition. Start with pivot tables, Power Query, array formulas, advanced charting, and data model relationships, and practice each feature with real tasks. Once comfortable, simulate exam conditions, timed sessions, no internet, and use comparable datasets to build speed and accuracy. Make sure to log mistakes, review why a solution failed, and rerun that problem until it's automatic. Continue weekly cycles of focused practice and targeted review to close knowledge gaps. You execute final steps calmly. Perform a system check, update Excel, confirm ID and backup practice files. Arrive early or log in 30 minutes before. During the exam, read instructions carefully, allocate time per section, and flag tough items to return later. After submission, review results immediately. If you don't pass, don't panic. Use the score breakdown to target weak areas, retry focused practice for 2 to 4 weeks. Then schedule your retake with confidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.